Hey everyone, welcome back to Dining with Daniel, and forgot something. Okay, and let's start. So let's start by cracking an egg and immediately messing up, so just ignore that and let's restart. Okay? Cool. Okay. New egg, new dish. Okay, let's do this. So we're gonna crack an egg, we're going to take our water bottle, gently squeeze it, and sucking the egg up into the water bottle. We're going to repeat this 2 to 3 times until we have 3 egg yolks in, in a heat-proof bowl. Perfect. To this, we're going to add 70 grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of sweet wine or grape juice. Right. Now you're just going to place it over really hot boiling water, and the bowl cannot touch the water, and you're going to whisk it so it becomes white, yellowish, and frothy. It should double to or triple in size and should take a couple of minutes to heat completely all the way through. We don't want it to scramble, so let me just quickly grab it. This obviously takes a lot longer. I'm just speeding it up for the video. Let me just grab it. Okay, and very hot, very hot. Don't drop it on me. And let's see. Okay, place it down. Okay, perfect. Right. So a little bit of half and ground. Okay, so my bowl is still really hot, so I'm going to keep stirring, making sure my eggs don't scramble. Waiting for it to cool down a bit. This is so just we kill anything that could be in the eggs. Yep, cool. And we're done. See, very nice egg custard. Lovely. Okay, cool. Right. Okay, what's next? Okay, just to check if the custard is done, take the dip the back of the spoon into the custard and then run your little finger through it, making sure that it leaves a straight line. If it doesn't leave a straight line, it's not good. It's not cooked enough. Yeah. Okay, to a new bowl, we're adding 1 cup of espresso and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, let's see. You know what? 2.5. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the grape juice or sweet wine. And now we're going to quickly whisk together, making sure everything dissolves. Now for our whipped cream. Right, so we're going to get very heavy whipping cream, and we're just going to be whipping it with the electric mixer. Let's see. This gives us more than enough time to work this at super speed, like in the video, and be a little fancy making the bowl spin. Okay, perfect. See, I'm very proud of myself here. Okay, so just make sure that it comes out when you know it's done, it should be coming out spiky and it should be coming together, looking like whipped cream. Of course, lovely, right? Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add to a new big bowl. We're going to add our custard, and then we're going to add we're going to add 300 grams of mascarpone to the big bowl. Right. So at this point, okay, see, mascarpone, proper, lovely. Okay, so now important thing, at this point, you're going to want to whisk it together until the mascarpone and the egg mixture provide a smooth and lovely and delicate mixture in there. Then afterwards, see, it's going to take some handiwork. And super speed, oh my god, yes, Sonic. Perfect. See, nice and smooth, nothing chunky. Okay, now moving on. Right. Now we're gonna add half of our whipped cream and smooth it out, lovely mixing together at supersonic speed as usual. And then we're going to add the other half and then whisk it together. Okay, a bit of work with the spatula, make sure all of it gets out. Okay, now we're going to whisk together at super speed as we usually do. Let's continue, lovely smooth. Okay, now I'm just going to video it for no reason. At this point you can also add some vanilla and some of the zest of an orange, just to add a little bit of a kick to your cream. Okay, right, now we're going to get our coffee dipping sauce and quickly place in our sponge fingers and put them into our bowl. Make sure it fills the bowls completely, the bowl shape, so there's no edges, like so. Voila. And then we're going to cover it with a layer of cream. Lovely, nice and thick. Okay, making sure it's completely filled out. Perfect. And now I'm just going to be talking and, yep. Continue. And see, now you're just filling it out. It kind of looks like Rachel's trifle from Friends. See? Apart from the fact that it's not disgusting. Right, so see, we're just going to quickly fill in and perfectly place on the whipped cream and custard mixture, and we're just going to keep on layering. So on, so on. Yeah, sure. Some extra handiwork just to make sure every inch of that custard and every ounce of that custard is out of the bowl. Okay, here we go. Smoothing it nice. Oh, nice. Over. Perfect. Here we go. Now we're just simply smoothing it over and making it sure it's nice and flat, so it will be ready and edible. Okay. At this point, don't cover it with chocolate or cacao powder yet. Just cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge for 6 hours so it can come together nicely. And then, of course, add some cacao powder to make it nice. And in the end, it should look like this, and you can make it and decorate it to look like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next week at Dining with Daniel.